here in the Widow Jane line in the spring of 25. You can see that the mine is very wet because of the recent heavy rains. But as it dries out in here, we are getting ready to welcome everybody back to the summer concert series. We're going to have a lot of performances going on, so watch the page. We're always open to visitors, 10 to 4, and to volunteers who want to help with the performances. So we look forward to welcoming you all to the Widow Jane line in the 2025 summer season.